Hola, ¿qué tal? So in this video we're going to look at an example 150 word task on the theme of the environment and doing things for society. So we'll start off by looking at the task itself. If you're working independently, feel free to pause the video so you can read through the task, read through the example response and see how much you can understand of it. Okay, let's talk through. Escribe un artículo para una revista sobre la importancia de ser solidario. So write an article for a magazine about the importance of being charitable, doing things for charity. Escribe incluyendo esta información. Write including this information. So this is the most important bit, the 2 bullet points. Los problemas más serios en el mundo de hoy. The most serious problems in the world of today, or in today's world. Second bullet point. ¿Qué hiciste recientemente para ser solidario or solidaria? So what did you do recently to be charitable or to support charity? And then the standard thing that comes up at the end of all these tasks. Escribe aproximadamente 150 palabras en español. Responde a los 2 aspectos de la pregunta. So write approximately 150 words in Spanish. Answer both aspects of the question. So let's have a look at an example response to this task, which is the sort of thing that you can expect for your second question on the higher writing GCSE paper. So I'll talk through in Spanish and pause so that you can practice either just listening, thinking about the meaning, or practicing your pronunciation, or translating into English. And then I'll say what the English is. Vamos. Me preocupa sobre todo la desigualdad social. I am especially worried about social inequality. No es justo que haya gente It's not fair that there are people que muera por falta de comida y de agua potable. That die through lack of food and drinkable water. Además, la pobreza no solo afecta a los países en desarrollo, furthermore also, poverty doesn't only affect countries or developing countries, sino que también amenaza a muchos niños en mi país. But also it threatens many children in my country. Sin embargo, si todos ayudamos, however, if we all help, podremos crear un mundo mejor para todos. We can create a better world for everyone. Hay muchas cosas que podemos hacer para mejorar la situación. There are many things that we can do to improve the situation. Y es esencial que actuemos pronto. And it is essential that we act soon. Por ejemplo, cuando compramos productos de comercio justo, for example, when we buy free trade products, estamos apoyando a familias en el tercer mundo. We are supporting families in the third world. Además, podemos colaborar en eventos patrocinados Furthermore, also, we can collaborate in or take part in sponsored events para recaudar fondos para organizaciones caritativas o globales o locales. To raise money, to raise funds for charity organizations, whether global or local. So that's all about serious problems. Let's have a look at what we did recently. El año pasado decidí participar Last year, I decided to take part en una caminata patrocinada de 20 kilómetros. In a sponsored walk of 20 kilometers, so in a 20k sponsored walk. Fue organizada por UNICEF It was organized by UNICEF as a charity organization para crear conciencia sobre la crisis de los refugiados en zonas de conflicto. To create awareness about the crisis of refugees in war zones, literally zones of conflict. Luego hicimos un día de silencio Then we did a day of silence organizado en mi instituto organized in my school para la misma campaña. For the same campaign. Fue la primera vez it was the first time que colaboré en un evento solidario tan grande. That I got involved or took part in such a big charity event. Pero me encantó. But I loved it. Desde mi punto de vista, from my point of view, fancy way of saying in my opinion, es muy importante ser solidario it's very important to be charitable, to do things for charity, porque te da la oportunidad de hacer algo concreto because it gives you the opportunity to do something concrete para ayudar a los demás, to help others. Ya me he afiliado al Club de Amnistía Internacional en mi Insti. I have already joined the Amnesty International Club in my school y escribimos cartas cada semana. And we write letters every week. Si tuviera más tiempo, if I had more time, participaría en todavía más eventos. I would take part in even more events. Después de hacer el bachillerato, after doing my A-level or A-level equivalent, solicitaré un trabajo voluntario I will apply for a volunteering job en una escuela primaria en África. In a primary school in Africa. Porque pienso ser profesora un día. Because I'm thinking of being, or I intend to be, a teacher one day. Okay, so now we've run through it. Remember, you can rewind to practice either listening again, practicing your pronunciation, practicing your translation into English. And then you can try writing your own